Kia ora, James here from Reo Ora with a special announcement. At Reo Ora, we teach you how to learn the 329 words and 30 sentence patterns that will help you learn to speak Te Reo Māori in just 12 weeks. Not convinced? Here are our top 5 features. We have over 80 pre-recorded lessons where you get linguistic explanations of Māori words and phrases. You will learn the method of how to master the 329 words and 30 sentence patterns you need to know to speak Māori in 12 weeks. Pake Waituhi, total immersion Māori language cartoons that will bring you right back to your childhood with nostalgic feelings of Brotown.
Me koe, kai te ora tonu. No hea koe hoa.
Hopu Kōrero, our Māori voice transcriber function. Listen to over 300 words and phrases. Record yourself saying the words. Our software transcribes your recording instantly to test the accuracy of your pronunciation. Our online quizzes and assessments. We have over 50 online quizzes and assessments which test your translation skills with automated marking system for instant results. So, this is not just an app. This is years and years of experience and development by Dr Wiri, all bundled up into this awesome product called Reo Ora. So be quick, kia tere mai. Register now at reoora.com. Noho ora mai.